An honest review on these things. Remarkably average. Pleasantly surprising. Underwhelming. Could be better, could be worse. I get to make these. This shit can go die in a fucking hole, you motherfucking blocks. Forget how nice these sound. Not exactly a toy, but just fucking addictive. These have a chokehold on my living being. Invest in these. Very cool. Barf. The classics. I don't know where I got this guy, but I love it. My favorite things on the planet. Actually, scratch that. And we just rubbed this program with the axolotl king.